Okay, it's 6 o'clock, 5 to 6, rapid rotation, differential motion. We're at Hoxie, looking to the south, southwest, east, south, southeast. Tornadoes redeveloping. It's going to be multiple vortex. Got to get up there. Perfect. 6 o'clock on the dot. Looking to the west from Hoxie. Multivortex. Woohoo! We should go. We should go. Speed up's on.
Man, what a freaking tornado! Woo! Ha-ha! Woo-hoo! Look at that motion! I have to come in behind it.
Wow, what a tornado.
Holy cow, it's wedging out. Oh my gosh.
Knew it would. This is something else.
You want me to kill the wipers? What do you think?
Yeah, turn it down a notch at least.